Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing Shine Armor. Definitely a product that I wanted to use for a while. I've been pretty skeptical because there is so much advertisement for this product on Facebook and many other places. And it's just one of those things that you want to try and see if it actually holds up. Is it actually a ceramic coating? Does it do what it's supposed to do? And that's what we're going to find out today. Now with the product in hand, I'm going to see what comes inside. And we're going to be using it today. So inside the box, sorry for the bad view, I'm trying to take this out at the same time as filming this. So in the box it comes with 2 purple microfiber towels, the bottle itself, and it also comes with the spray nozzle. And instruction. So the bottle is pretty small. It's actually 8 ounces, but it doesn't seem like that much considering, if you want to do a bigger vehicle. Like I have a Genesis Coupe, so it's not going to take as much product as if I had like an SUV or a truck or something. So I don't know what they were thinking with this size bottle, because realistically you really have to be conservative on how much you're going to be using. And there's a lot to think about here, because you don't want to be using too much, you don't want to be using too little, but we're going to be figuring that out once we actually use it. I'm ready to use the product, but before I do, I'm going to be showing you guys how the car looks right now. So it's not super dirty, but it's also not super clean at the same time. If I get close, you can see that there is a lot of contaminants on it. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, so the car is not that dirty, but it's also not that clean. So I'll be applying the product and then we're gonna see how it turns out. I'm gonna go around the car again, just so you can get a good idea. I just finished using the product on the car and I'm very, very satisfied. Now there's still a lot left in the bottle. I thought I would go through all of the 8 ounces, but there's still a lot left. Kind of surprising. I thought I'd be going through the whole bottle today. And now we're going to see the results. And I'm pretty satisfied with the way the car is looking. I'm going to show you the right in the sun. And as you can see, the results speak for themselves. The car looks a lot better. As you can see, it's very, very shiny. It looks really clean. But yeah, I'm very, very satisfied with the results on this. It's just a matter of, is it going to hold up over time? You can see my reflection. Yeah, this is really good. Now I'm going to give a week update to see if it's actually holding up, if it still looks the same. Because it claims to be a ceramic coat, a 3-in-1. I'm not really big into products that are like 3-in-1, 5-in-1 and those type of things. I don't really believe that a product is really efficient if it has, you know, so many uses in one, but I'm pretty satisfied with this. Yeah, another thing I'd like to mention is that this cleaner works really good on wheels. I cleaned the wheels at the end when I was done on the car's paint, and it looks really good. It still has a pretty good gloss that came out of the rims there. And overall, I'm really, really satisfied with this product. I would definitely recommend it. Things to note is it doesn't get rid of scratches, so if you have, you know, even small scratches, this product does not get rid of it, so don't expect this to be a scratch remover. But Shine Armor does sell a scratch remover. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll probably do a review on that. And yeah, it's a pretty good product. It works as it should. Now I don't know how durable it's going to be, but time will tell. And yeah, what am I missing here? I know in the Facebook videos they would show how the bottle just slides onto the paint because that's how smooth it is. So I'll try it and see if it works. Yeah, definitely. And I could even feel it with my hand that the paint is very, very smooth and clean, obviously, as you can tell. So this concludes my review of the Shine Armor 3-in-1 ceramic coating. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.